3 life-saving tactics to stay afloat in a constantly changing marketplace. Let's face the facts. Old-fashioned marketing tools aren't going to keep your business a growing and prosperous entity in today's marketplace. Hey, this month's hottest techniques and information will be obsolete in 6 months. Now, I'm not saying that old marketing principles can't be upgraded and incorporated successfully, but as a rule, marketers have to stay on top of the latest marketing trends. If you're wanting to stay ahead of your business-savvy competitors, you'll need to implement 3 tactics to stay one step ahead. Tactic number 1. Watch for new advertising methods. You never know what will work for you unless you take the time to experiment. Who knows? The next marketing experiment you test may be $1 million idea. Keep your eyes peeled for the latest marketing news. It never pays to put all of your eggs in one basket. Don't neglect the tried and true marketing tools that have been successful in the past. Invest about 20% of your advertising budget and time into testing 4 new marketing strategies that will increase your profits. Tactic number 2. Spruce things up. Don't get stuck in a rut. Yeah, you have products that have been successful for years, but what would happen if you gave them a facelift? Would you attract new customers? Would your old customers enjoy the change? You'll be surprised at what a new packaging will do for old product sales. Sprucing up doesn't have to stop with your products. A few minor changes in the store appearance can bring new life to your place of business as well. Tactic number 3. Diversify. The more products you have to offer, the more insulation you have against the decline in popularity of one particular item. Don't go out on a limb when you've got a good thing going. Look for products and services that complement your current products and services. Don't let the speed of light changes in the market take your business under. Stay afloat with these proven tactics. Thank you for watching. Make sure to visit the recommended links below this video. Bye.